Beautiful peachy pink. Hello and what's up you guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tanisha. In case you're watching me for the very first time, do not forget to like, share, subscribe. I wanted to keep it like really affordable because I know you guys love that, and also a lot of my audience that is watching is like college going, school going and all of that. Today we are going to do something like a very everyday sort of a look, but it's going to be a little of a soft glam, like a little bit highlights and all of that. Anyways, let's just get started with today's makeup. And today I'm gonna use all of the products from Sway's Beauty. This is their professional face and eye brush set, and this is only for 879 rupees. And I'm gonna use this one today. Throughout the video I'll tell you about the use of different brushes. This is like densely packed. I absolutely love the color and the build and everything. The bristles are super soft. I'm not even kidding. The bristles are really soft, and they are like synthetic brushes, and they give like very flawless finish. I'm gonna use the Swiss Beauty Primer Mousse Foundation, 59 rupees, like very lightweight and very dewy finish that stays all day long. And this is like extremely like lightweight and breathable foundation. It literally is gonna melt onto your skin and give that second skin sort of look, which I absolutely love. Using the foundation blender brush 06, you can look at these bristles, very nice and soft over here. It helps you to take right amount of the product, and also it works with all sort of products like liquid, cream, powder, and even shimmer based products as well. Why did I pick this foundation is that it has primer plus foundation ka effect, so you can use this on an everyday basis. Oh wow, this brush literally doesn't hit on your face or your skin because the bristles are really soft. And this foundation is so much more buildable, as you can see, and it is for all skin type, by the way, if you are thinking about that. And this is sitting without creasing into the fine lines or anything like that. How to make friends in your 20s. Okay, you need to be a little bit proactive. Okay, मैं हमेशा सामने से जाके friends नहीं बनाती थी, and that was a very bad decision of mine. अगर आपको dance करना है, singing करना है, poetry में हो, drama में हो, तो whatever you like, you can go into those fields and you can make friends over there. And also another thing that I can say is, please try and ask question from people. Like, even if you don't need that much help, just go ahead and just, can you help me out with these notes and all of that. So I think so there are a lot of relatable stuff that you can talk to about. अलग friends group में मैं hop करती थी, and finally then in the second year I found out my really nice friends group. It was very small group, but it was really amazing. We all were like really of the same vibe, as you can say. Just take this initiative that I'm going to talk to 3 new people every day. College जाते हो, gym जाते हो, tuition जाते हो, या फिर कोई भी और एक्टिविटी के लिए जाते हो, just try to think कि यार आज मैं कोई तो 3 नए लोगों से बात करने वाली हूँ. वो कोई भी हो सकता है, but that will actually help you a lot. And आपको पता भी नहीं होता कि कौन stranger आपका कब किसके साथ vibe match हो रहा है. So that is how you can make friends. So I'm gonna use this liquid concealer, and I am in the shade 03, and I'm gonna use this brush from Swiss Beauty, which is the concealer brush, and it is in the number 03. It comes in 9 different shades, and it's for all skin type. More of like a high coverage concealer, because that's what we need in concealer. Concealer को high coverage लेना ज़रूरी है, and that's what we have, and it does not leave creases in your eyes or anything like that. Okay, so like it's kind of a choose. By the way, this concealer is waterproof and it is super buildable, as I can see here right now. I don't think relationship is above being single, or being single is better than relationship. If you are in a healthy relationship, definitely continue it, but if not, then stay single. And staying single is also not bad. Any relationship is not going to be super smooth and simple. A lot of the people joke about being in relationship and are happy being single because they don't want to deal with थोड़ा बहुत जो arguments and थोड़े बहुत जो problems आते हैं relationship में, because relationship में आएंगे ही problem. If you are interacting with any person, whether it's friend or family or anything of that sort, कोई ना कोई argument, कोई ना कोई difference in opinion तो होगा ही. Stereotypes बन जाता है कि लड़कियां ऐसे होती है relationship में, boyfriends ऐसे होते हैं, girlfriends ऐसे होते हैं. That's really bullshit. Contouring. So I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty Chica-Boo palette, all-in-one palette over here. That has a highlighter, a blush, and a contour. And I love that this is so travel friendly and pocket size. Like I can literally carry it whenever I'm traveling. Using the same foundation blending brush over here, blend it into my skin, and you're gonna go upwards. Okay, upward. Side में रखेंगे उतना ज़्यादा एक snatched, uplifted look आएगा. You can see how beautifully it has blended away. It actually comes in different 3 shades, I guess, so it will match completely your skin tone and everything. And थोड़ा सा I'll just take over here. Door. We're gonna do the jawline. By the way, let us take another question, which is how do हाउ डू यू हाइड अ हिक्की? कंसीलर अभी जो हमने यूज किया ना उससे हिक्की चली जाएगी। लाइक बहुत ज्यादा रेडनेस हो गई है तो पहले ग्रीन करेक्टर लगाओ, फिर ऑरेंज करेक्टर लगाओ, फिर उसके ऊपर एक कंसीलर लगाओ, तो लिटरली ऐसे गायब हो जाएगा ना, पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि वहां पे था। I'm gonna use the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. Super buildable and very very pigmented. It is like a pressed powder form, so it delivers a very rich payoff of the color. I'm going to touch up my eyebrows a little bit. I'm going to use this highlighter and lash brush over. It's a really dark color over here from the eyeshadow itself. Apply here thoda sa just to give like a proper edge. So you do what is your profession from Deepak's. Guys, I am a full-time YouTuber. I'm using the spoolie side of this one and I'm just going to brush it off. ये मेरा favorite part है. I've done my graduation in economics honors and with maths. I love here at YouTube and I do not want to divide my attention into something else. This is the eyeshadow applicator brush. So ये दोनों color mix करके I'm just taking over here in this brush. So you can see there's so much of पिगमेंटेशन नीचे नीचे हम लगा लेंगे। Eyeshadow blender brush 04 which is gonna blend it all out, nicely blend it. Wow, ये वाला जो शेड है लाइट पिंक शेड है, वो पिंक शेड हम लगा लेंगे सेम ब्लेंडर ब्रश को लेके। और ले लेते हैं दैट इज दी, क्या आप अपनी YouTube अर्निंग से सेटिस्फाइड हो? तो अगर आप YouTube कर रहे हो तो आप अगर सोचोगे कि मैं कुछ और भी कर लूँ साथ में, आप कर सकते हो डेफिनेटली। देन यू विल ओनली बी एबल टू प्रोड्यूस लेट्स से 1 or 2 वीडियो इन अ वीक। तो YouTube इनकम बहुत ज़्यादा वेरी करता है, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि सिर्फ 1000 या 2000 भी आता है। आई एम लिटरली गोइंग टू पुट दिस ओवर हियर, ये शायद जनवरी या दिसंबर का मैं यहाँ पे डालूंगी। लिटरली 2000 3000 समथिंग लाइक दैट, इट्स वेरी वेरी लेस। YouTube इनकम पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं रह सकते। मेजोरिटी ऑफ योर इनकम हैज टू कम फ्रॉम ब्रांड एंडोर्समेंट। यूज से बहुत कम पैसे मिलते हैं इंडिया में अनफॉर्चुनेटली। आई हैव दिस आई पॉप स्टाइल लाइनर, डार्क मड ब्राउन कलर एंड दिस वन इज दिस सनराइज कलर which is more like a yellow ochre sort of color. The high shine lacquer delivers intense color that lasts up to 14 hours. It has quick drying formula that is smudge proof, water resistant and transfer proof and it comes off very easily with a eye makeup remover. And ये बहुत ज़्यादा pigmented भी है, so let's just apply it. Looks super cute, very nice. I'm gonna use the Swiss Beauty Lift and Curl Mascara. You can see the packaging. I absolutely love this. The hourglass shaped brush gives the maximum 4D volume and length. Long eyelashes in just one coat. It has 250 plus bristles. It has a feathery soft brush with like a ultra like creamy formulation of this one. This is going to give so much of length. Can you see the difference? Oh my god, it has lifted the eye. 319 rupees for that price. Oh my god, I absolutely love this. Blush over here, I'm going to use this compact brush over here. I'm going to use this Cheekaboo palette ka this blush shade. Just give us some tips you follow or we should follow to enhance our fashion sense. See, first of all you have to see your body type. Second of all you have to see what is your aesthetic. Always have your wardrobe 70% full of basic clothes like white, black and nude. Neutral colors जो होते हैं, ये सारे colors की आपके पास हमेशा टैंक टॉप्स, टॉप एंड जीन्स वगैरह हमेशा ये सब रहने चाहिए, ताकि आपके पास कुछ भी और हो तो उसके साथ आप पेयर अप कर सकते हैं। दिस इज वन ऑफ द टिप। तो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू टेक दिस ब्लश, ये ब्रश ले लिया एंड आई एम जस्ट डू इट ओवर हियर। ओह माय गॉड, आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस। Beautiful peachy pink sort of a color. Can you just see? It just lushed and like एकदम cute सा। कभी कभी अपने आप को जब स्टाइल करते हो ना तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि आपको कब ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिल रहे हैं, कब आप अपने आप को देख के आपको खुद को समझ में आएगा कि ये मेरे पे ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है। तो वैसे टाइप के कपड़े ज़्यादा खरीदने की कोशिश करो। टिपिकली जीन्स ऑलवेज बाई ऑफ योर ओन एग्जैक्ट साइज। कभी भी ऊपर नीचे, अच्छा इट इज ऑन सेल सो यू बाई इट एक साइज ऊपर एक साइज नीचे क्योंकि सेल में है तो ले लिया, ये चीज़ मत करना। टॉकिंग अबाउट द लिपस्टिक दैट वी आर गोना यूज, आई एम गोइंग टू यूज द सॉफ्ट मैट लिप cream from Swiss Beauty. Super duper creamy when I talk to you guys about this. And this is priced at only 199 rupees. तो मैंने actually 2 different shades मंगवाए हैं. It is like high pigment and it dries matte. This is the natural tone lipstick ka shade that you have. This shade is the iconic nude and each shade is like super long wearing, lightweight and delightfully creamy. So I am kind of thinking that I want to go on with the natural iconic nude. ऐसे थोड़ा थोड़ा बीच में लगा के I'm just going to That's it. That is pretty much it. मतलब मैं everyday makeup look कर रही हूँ इसलिए मैं बहुत ज़्यादा bold या ऐसा कुछ नहीं करने वाली. I'm gonna use the highlighter and lash brush 07 and I'm going to use this Cheekaboo palette का highlighter. So I'll just take a little bit and थोड़ा सा nose में will apply. I love ऐसे nose का थोड़ा सा ऐसा अच्छा लगता है. And on the cheek we're gonna apply slight bit over here as well. Okay, so that is pretty much it for today's video, and a surprise for you guys that I have a coupon code to get 10% off with my code Tanisha10. So do not forget to use that. The link are given down below. Please check me out on my Instagram account, and also leave comment down below what do you want to see more. If you like this video, if you don't like this video, what do you want me to share with you guys and everything. And I'll see you until next time. Take care of yourself. Tada, bye.